Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Good morning, my dear students. How are you today? Today we are going to complete the lesson we started last week. We studied the report speech with infinitive and infinitive with to, talking about imperative sentence, and we studied phrasal verbs with get. As you studied here, phrasal verbs with get, as you can see on the screen. Get up, get on, get over, get down to, get through, get behind with. These phrasal verbs have different meanings. You have to read the sentence, match these sentences with the correct meaning by writing the letters from A, B, C, D to F here. Okay, you've got 2 minutes to read and match. Please read the sentences, match the verbs the underlined here in these sentences with the correct meanings A to F. Ayub bin Farid.
I have to get up early to go to school. B. Get out of bed.
Very good. Thank you. Yusuf Ala.
Max test. My father and his
Colleagues.
and his colleagues get on very well. If have a good relationship with someone.
Thank you, Yusuf. Good. Munir.
Yes, teacher. I've had a bad cold, but I am getting over it now.
Get over this mean. If you are talking about an illness or a disease, a problem.
E. Recover.
Yes. Recover. Very good. Thank you, Munir. Amar Lutfi.
We have an exam in 3 weeks. I should get down to revising.
Yes.
A. Start doing something seriously.
Thank you, Amar. Good. Yes, let's see. Ahmed Samir. Muhammad Fahmi. Ahmed Samir, Muhammad Fahmi.
I tried to phone you yesterday, but I couldn't get through. D. Managed to contact someone.
Contact someone. Thank you. Amar Najm.
Nasser got behind with his work because he was off school for a month.
Yes.
C. Do not make as much progress as others.
Thank you, Omar. Okay, excellent. Let's discuss these questions later. Let's go to another exercise here. Choose the right option. Choose the right option. Read the sentence and choose the right phrasal verb with get. Okay. Let's see. Yusuf Muhammad Kamil.
I have Curly to go to school.
Yes.
Get up.
Thank you, Yusuf. So the right answer, get up. Okay. Abdurrahman Radwan.
We have an exam this week. I should get down to revising.
Very good. Thank you. Khalid Walid. Samir.
Yes, teacher. My father and his colleagues very well.
Colleagues.
Colleagues very well. Get on.
Yes. Get on. The same same answers or same questions we had before. Yes. And Nashar. Thank you. Yes, Nashar.
I have had a bad cold, but I am it now, getting over.
Thank you. Okay. Madbouli. Yes, Madbouli.
I tried to phone you yesterday, but
Speak up, please. Your voice is not clear. Speak up.
I tried to phone you yesterday, but I couldn't get through.
Thank you so much. Okay. Now, please be attention to me here. I'm going to teach you something new. Indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns are 4 families. We have some family, any family, no family, every family. Someone, somebody, something, somewhere, this is one family. So someone and somebody refers to people, something refers to things, somewhere refers to places. When do you use the some family? We use the some family in positive sentences, in offers, and requests. So if you are giving a statement or positive meaning or polite request, you can use someone, somebody, something, somewhere. What about any? Anyone, anybody refers to people, anything refers to things, anywhere refers to place. All of them are used in negative sentences with not and with questions. No, no one, nobody, no, nothing, nowhere, with negative meaning without not. With negative meaning without not. Everyone, everybody, everything, everywhere, we can use them in both, in positive and negative, in questions and statements. So according to the meaning, are you talking about people or things or places? Again, let's see some examples here. Here, someone, somebody, something, somewhere, they are used mainly in positive sense and in questions when they are offers or requests. Any, anyone, anybody, anything, anywhere, they are used in questions and negative sense. Besides, sentences that have a negative feeling, they can be used with the meaning, it doesn't matter who or which or where. No, no one, nobody, nothing, nowhere. We don't usually use a negative verb with them. So nobody, nobody, no one, nothing, nowhere, in negative meaning without not. Everyone, everybody, everything, everywhere, they are used in positive sentence, negative sentence, and questions. Notice all the indefinite pronouns, all of them mentioned above are singular and followed by a singular verb. So we say someone is, somebody is, everyone is, everybody is, everything is. Don't say are. Something is missing. Everything is clear. Nothing happens. We use S. So we use a negative. So sorry, we use a singular verb. You can use S. Don't use R. We can use a verb with S. We don't use the verb with infinitive. But in that question, we use plural noun or pronoun and plural verb. For example, everything, everybody is here. Everybody is here, aren't they? Everybody is here, aren't they? So notes, pay attention to the negative in that question we use a plural pronoun and plural verb. Now, let's do this exercise in Sinus book, page number on the lesson 5 here. You are going to read these statements, read these sentences from A to E, and complete them by using one of the indefinite pronouns from the list. Somebody, nobody, everybody, anybody, something, nothing, everything, anything, somewhere, nowhere, everywhere, anywhere, and add else. Else means other and is often used with words like something else, somebody else, everybody else, nowhere else. So you can use, pay attention, use one of these indefinite pronouns and the word else means other. Pay attention, is it negative? Is it positive? Is it a question? Is it a statement? Does it refer to a place? Does it refer to people or things? Please read the example. The first one is answered. I'm not enjoying this program. Can we watch something else? Okay, B. Who can answer B? Abdurrahman Zayyad.
I'm still hungry. Can I have to eat anything else?
Can I have anything else? Yes, anything else. But you can use Abdurrahman, you can use something else. Why? Because it's a blind request. It's a blind request. So in question, use anything, okay? I'm still hungry. Can I have anything else to eat? But it's you can say, can I have something else to eat? Okay? Ilari, C.
We are the last ones to leave. Someone has already gone home.
Someone? Suppose, Ilari, you are in a party. You are in a party. We are the last ones to leave. So it means there is no one here. Has already gone home. Who has
No one
already?
No one else.
Sorry?
Everybody.
Yes, very good. Everybody else. Everybody else has already gone home. Thank you, Ilari. الفلكي.
أستاذ
Yes.
أستاذ أنا سلطان محمد توني دشيت كانت الحصة
Sultan,
عندي معلقة.
Welcome, Sultan. Yes, Falaki.
We can stay here tonight. We will have to go somewhere else.
Very good. Thank you. Somewhere else refers to place. Good. Yes. Radwan. Ahmed Adil Radwan. Yes.
I can't understand why Space watches the news on TV. I find it very interesting.
You have to understand the meaning. Sorry?
Nobody else.
Nobody else. Yes, negative meaning. Nobody else. Thank you so much. Okay. Now let's move to workbook. Okay, please open your workbook. We are going to study lesson step 6. Here, before we do the exercise on workbook, let's revise these exercises concerning what? Phrasal verb was get. Okay, let's see who can read and choose. Kareem Wael.
أيوة أستاذ. أقرأ يا أستاذ.
Yes, number 1. Choose. Read and choose.
Together we can get our problems easily. That's true.
Get behind, get through, get over, get on.
Get
Problems. Sorry? Get through,
through.
Kareem. Get through, we use it when you talk about mobiles, to manage to contact, to manage to call. Huh?
Says I
Come
want
on,
to get
have you got
through.
another answer? Kareem?
Get through.
No. Sujud, thank you. Sujud.
Get over.
Get over. Yes, very good. Thank you, Sujud. Yes, Al-Awadi.
موجود أستاذ. If you don't do your homework regularly, you will get your study. You will get down.
Get down. Get down means to start. If you don't do your homework,
get behind with.
Get behind with. So you have to understand the meaning, Abdurrahman. Okay. Ibrahim Mukhtar. 3.
Hi, Ustaz. 3.
Number 3.
I usually get late in the weekend. Me too. تبقى سنة أستاذ. I will get up.
Yes, good, Ibrahim. Thank you. Okay, let's move to the next exercise here. Choose the correct answer. Phrasal verb with get. Muhammad Tamir, can you see it?
موجود أستاذ.
Yes, Muhammad. Number 4.
مش ظاهر عندي.
Okay, wait and see. صبحي. Yes, Subhi.
We relaxed in the break. Now it's time to get to main job. To get down to the main job.
Very good. Thank you, Subhi. Yes, get down to. Muhammad Tamir. Yes, is it clear now? Yes, Muhammad.
Number 5.
Yes.
Okay. A. I'm trying to phone my friend, but I couldn't get. B. I think there are something wrong with your phone.
Yes. With your phone. What do you do with your phone? Get through. Yes, good. Muhammad Tamer, thank you. Yes. Abdurrahman Radwan. Okay. Ahmed Yasser Bayoumi.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Ahmed.
6.
Yes,
They
number
are
6.
typical couple. Point, they get space. Very well. B, good news. They get.
Which one means to have a good relationship with someone? Have a good relationship. Get over or recover from a disease. No. Azidin.
Get on.
Get through.
Sorry, Mahmoud. Mahmoud.
Get on.
Get on. Very good, Mahmoud. Thank you. Ahmed Yasser. Ahmed Yasser. Get behind it means to not to do as much progress as others. Get through means to manage to contact. Get over it means to recover from a disease or an illness. So here they are a typical couple. They are a good couple. They get on very well. It means they have a good relationship with others, each other. Okay. Please open your Sims book, page number 56. Page number 56. Now let's do the first exercise. You've got here phrasal verbs with get. Use them to complete the sentence. Please read and complete. I'll give you 2 minutes. Read and complete. Okay, let's see. Muhammad Ahmad Taha.
معك أستاذ.
Yes, Muhammad. A.
I think there's something wrong with my phone. People say they have tried to phone my but couldn't.
They have tried. They have
tried to phone me but couldn't.
Yes, the same sentence we repeated again.
Get through.
Couldn't.
Get through.
Get through. Good. Thank you. Yes, Muhammad Jalal.
Yes, teacher. If you don't do your homework, you will get behind with your work.
Excellent, Muhammad Jalal. Good. Yes, Omar Ahmed. Abdul Fattah.
All the students in my class get on very well.
Excellent, Omar. Amr Mahmoud.
It takes old people a long time to get over.
Excellent. Colds and flu. Yes. Al-Ardi.
We enjoyed a relaxing holiday, but now it's time to spacewalk again. Get down to.
Excellent. Yes. Tabakh. Yes.
Need much sleep, so it's easy for me to get up early.
Thank you. Excellent. Now let's check the answers here. The first one, get through. Second one, get behind with. Third one, get on. Fourth one, get over. Fifth, down to. The last one, get up. Thank you so much. Now, let's revise and remind you of the report speech. To report what someone said, we want to tell, when we want to tell, ask, advise someone to do something, use one of these verbs, advise, like, prefer, tell, want, in the past, with the noun or pronoun plus 2 plus base form of the verb in positive sentence. But in negative, we use not to. And we have to delete please or don't, never, if I were you, etc. Okay? I asked him to get the groceries. This is an example. Now, look at this exercise on workbook exercise number 2. Put the following sentence into indirect speech using the verbs in parentheses or brackets. You have to use the verb ask, tell, ask, want. He asked him, can you change the channel, please? You can say, he asked him to change the channel. So you begin with he asked him, or he asked me, he asked her, she asked me. Any subject or object pronouns, and use the verb in brackets, and then you change the direct speech into report speech. Let's listen to Saifuddin. Yes, Saifuddin. Can you please turn up the volume for me?
He asked him
Yes.
to turn up the volume to him for him.
For him, very good. And you delete, can you please? Okay, very good, thank you. Ayub, rewind the video for me. Tell.
He
Ayub.
told him to rewind the video for him.
Very good. He told him, he told me. Yes, good. Yusuf, Ala. Hani, watch this film with me. It's really good. He asked Hani. Yusuf Ala. Amar Lutfi.
Hani, watch this film with me. It's really good. Hani asked me to
No,
watch
Hani is the listener. Hani is the listener.
He asked Hani to watch the film with him.
What about this? He asked Hani to watch that. Yes.
That
so
film
Omar,
with
yes,
them.
we change this into that, these into those. He asked Hani, yes, Omar,
that film to watch with him.
To watch that film with him. Very good. Thank you. Ahmed Samir, Muhammad Fahmi, can you look for the remote control? He wanted him, or he wanted me.
Can you look for the remote control? He wanted
The past symbol.
He wanted him to look for the remote control.
Thank you. Good. Let's check the answer here. The first one. He asked him to change that channel. He asked him to turn up the volume for him. He told him to rewind the video for him. He asked Hani to watch that film with him. He wanted him to look for the remote control. Now, let's do the next exercise in exercise 3. You are going to again to change direct speech into report speech by using what? By using words and parentheses. هنستخدم الكلمات الموجودة في القوسين. Teachers advise their friends. We change the verb from the present into the past. The teachers advise their students to watch more educational programs. B. Don't watch television for more than 2 hours a day. Karim Wael. Begin with parents told their children.
رقم B.
B, letter B.
Don't watch television for more than 2 hours a day. Parents tell their children. Parents told their children not to watch television for more than 2 hours a day.
Thank you, Karim. Excellent. Good. Ilari, ask me if you don't understand something.
Teachers ask the students to tell the class.
The teacher told the students.
Told the students to ask him if they don't understand something.
Yes, very good. I agree with you. The teacher told the students to ask him if they don't understand something. What about here, don't? Is it better to use didn't, we change the present into past? And yes, we use negative, in negative, something, we change something into anything? Okay, yes. Larry? So we can say the teacher told the students to ask him if they didn't understand
anything.
Thank you. Okay, next. Khalid Walid, show me your homework.
Yes.
Parents ask their children.
Parents asked their children to show them their homework.
Again, please.
Parents asked their children to show them their homework.
Excellent. Thank you. Let's listen to Zayat. Show me your homework. Tell the class what you learned from the TV program. Teachers asked students.
Teacher asked students to tell the class what they learned from the TV programs.
Very good, Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman, is it better to say had learned? We change the past into past perfect?
No.
We can change. So
we can,
in the report speech, yes, teachers asked students to tell the class what they had learned from the TV program. So we change the past into past perfect. Okay, Abdurrahman?
Okay.
Sujud, make notes while you are watching this program. The teacher advised his students.
The teacher advised his students to make notes while they are
watching
this program.
Sorry, again, Sujud, is it better to say the teacher advised his students to make notes while they are watching or were watching? We change the present perfect, present continuous into past continuous. Is it better to say were or are?
Are, because
we are talking about past. Here the verb, the reported verb is in the past. The teacher advised his students to make notes while they were watching this program. What about this? As we said to Omar, we have to, as you told Omar, we change this into that.
That.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Al-Awadi, rewrite your notes at home so they are easier to revise from. A student advised another student.
Student advised another student to rewrite his notes at home so they were easier to revise from.
Very good. You can leave the verb are, or you can change it to were. Good. So revise. The student advised another student to rewrite his notes at home so they were easier to revise from. Good. Let's check the answers here. The first one, teachers advise their students to watch more educational programs. Parents told their children not to watch television for more than 2 hours a day. C, the teacher told the students to ask him if they didn't understand something. We changed it into anything, as I told Hilary. Parents asked their children to show them their homework. E, teachers asked the students to tell the class what they learned from the TV program, or as I told Abdurrahman, Zayat, what they had learned from the TV program. The teacher advised his students to make notes or to while they were watching that program. We changed are into were and this into that. Last sentence, one student advised another student to rewrite his notes at home so they were easier to revise from. It's better to change are into were. Okay, now let's move to the next page, page number 57. Okay, now we are going to do the opposite. يعني ايه opposite يا شباب? We are going to change from report speech into direct speech. مطلوب منك تحول الكلام من غير مباشر إلى مباشر. We are going to say What were the speaker's words or actual words؟ يعني تخيل نفسك تحط الكلمات داخل قوسين، هترجع الضمائر، ترجع الأزمنة للأول، ترجع الكلمات للأول. Okay, look at this example. A. Faisal's father advised him to play sports instead of watching it on TV. إيه الكلام اللي هيقوله Faisal's father؟ What does Faisal's father say to Faisal? You should play sports instead of watching it on TV. Or you can say play sports instead of watching it on TV. So this is what this imperative sentence or a command sentence. B. The teacher told the class to watch TV programs about the environment. What are the teacher's actual words? محمد تامر.
موجود أستاذ.
Yes. B.
The teacher told the class to watch TV programs about the environment.
Environment. Yes.
Watch TV programs about the environment.
That's all. Thank you, Muhammad Tamer. Yes. Watch TV programs about the environment. Ibrahim Mukhtar. Dalia asked her brother to record the program for her.
أستاذ
What is Dalia's actual word?
رقم كام أستاذ؟
Letter C. Letter C.
Dayla asked her brother to record the program for her. Please record the program for me.
Yes, very good. Please record the program for me. Ibrahim Abdul Nasser. The doctor advised me not to watch television in the dark. Ibrahim Abdul Nasser.
أستاذ.
Yes. D.
The doctor told me not to use the television in the night.
In the dark.
In the dark.
Ibrahim, what are the doctor's actual words? What did the doctor say? خالد علي شمس الدين. شمس الدين. عبد الرحمن محمد عزت. Yes, عبد الرحمن محمد عزت. المدبولي. عبد الرحمن محمد.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, speak up.
رقم كام؟
D.
The doctor advised me not to watch television in the dark. The doctor advised me.
No. What are the actual words, please? The actual words. Direct speech. What does the doctor say? Say his exact words. We don't have to say the doctor said to me. Go on. Abdullah Assam.
أستاذ أقول the doctor say to me don't watch television in the dark.
Yes, don't watch TV in the dark. Don't watch television in the dark. Never watch television in the dark. Okay? Yes.
Okay.
Abdullah Assam, E. Scientists asked the parents to make sure they know what programs their children are watching. What are the scientists' actual words? Abdullah Assam. عمر محمد.
موجود أستاذ.
Yes, عمر.
موجود. Make sure you know what programs your children are watching.
Very good. Thank you. Muhammad Ala. Scientists told parents to sit and watch programs with their very young children. Muhammad Ala. F. Muhammad Ala. محمد مجدي.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, محمد. محمد علاء, go on. محمد علاء. محمد مجدي. Yes, محمد مجدي.
معك أستاذ.
Yes.
Sit and watch TV and very young children.
Very good.
With
Thank
very
you.
young children.
Yes. Okay. Mishari. An internet article advises us
Yes,
to plan
teacher.
our TV viewing in advance.
Which question, teacher?
G. Mshari.
Plan your TV viewing in advance.
Plan your TV viewing. Very good, Mishari. Thank you. Mina. Samira's grandmother asked her to turn on the subtitles because she has poor hearing.
Turn on the subtitles because I have poor hearing.
Excellent. Very good, Mina. Thank you so much. Let's check the answers here again. So the first one, you should play sports instead of watching it on TV. Watch TV programs about the environment. Please record the program for me. You shouldn't watch television in the dark, or don't watch television in the dark. Never watch television in the dark. Make sure you know what programs your children are watching. Sit and watch programs with very young children. Plan your TV viewing in advance. Turn on the subtitles because I have poor hearing. And you are going to do the next exercise here by writing, by matching the statements with their responses. Do it at home, please. You can write the numbers by writing numbers from 1 to 7. Do it at home. Okay, it's very easy. Read and choose or match. Okay, and here we are going to choose the right indefinite pronouns. Anybody or somebody, anywhere or somewhere. Please read the conversation between Ahmed and Omar, Omar and Badr, and choose the right, the correct indefinite preposition or indefinite pronoun. I'm sorry. Okay, read and choose. Number 1, let's see. Ayub and Farid.
Has anybody seen the remote control for the television? Anybody?
Thank you. Yes, anybody. Thank you. Let's check here. Has anybody? Okay, Yusuf Ala. Has anybody seen the remote control for the television? I looked in this room, but I can't find it.
But I can't find it.
Anywhere or somewhere?
Anywhere.
Yes, anywhere. Thank you. You, Omar Lutfi, and I have looked anywhere, everywhere else for it.
And I have looked everywhere else for it.
Thank you. Yes, Muhammad Fahmi, Ahmed Samir Muhammad Fahmi. Maybe anybody, somebody else has borrowed it.
Yes, teacher. Maybe anyone, somebody has.
Anybody or somebody else has borrowed it. Somebody. Very good. Yes, Khalid Walid. Did you lend it to anybody or anything?
Anybody.
Anybody. Thank you so much. Let's stop here. I'm going to stop recording. I really enjoyed the lesson. You were excellent today. Please do your